How to find all your photos on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your photos on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here click on those three lines to get to your profile, or just click on the setting icon, or just click on your profile icon again. Now click on those 3 points. Now all you need to do is click on the last option, which is search profile, and here you're gonna find photos. Click on it and you're gonna find photos of you or your uploads or your albums, and this is it. This is how you find your photos. You choose which one you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.